it. Gee, it looks kind of nice, man. Nah. Sponsorship. Alright, so here's the rear diffuser. There's the rear bumper. This is gonna go on the bottom. Oh shit, you didn't see that. It's gonna go like this. On the bottom, I'm going to create some holes, pose, and then screw it in. That should hold it tight on the top, but just for assurance, we're going to put double tape on the edge that they provided us with. Okay. Alright. Yeah, so this rear thing, you can take off the rear light. That's what I just did. And then we're going to use the sandpaper I have somewhere over there. Sand it down, prime it, sand the primer a little bit primer again, maybe primer 3 times. And then we're going to put 3 of the automotive paint that we have here. My color is 1H9. It's gonna paint match my rear bumper. 3 of these, and then we're gonna do 3 of the clear coats that I have here. Hopefully it's gonna look nice. I have some left here. This one is pretty full. I didn't use it yet. Yeah, it's gonna be looking nice. All right, so we have side skirts here too. These are carbon fiber. These are the cheapest ones I found. That's why they're in carbon fiber, which I don't really care, because we're going to sand them down and do a glossy black on them. So I just did it with 500 and 800 grit. The 500 was kind of rough, so you had to do it quite a bunch, and then you had to smooth it out with 800 and it worked. See that SpongeBob?
Ah, that's Stroke Daddy.
Alright, we're putting the primer on right now. I don't know if you can hear me. Second coat is done. Filling in the spots. I'm gonna do one more coat, third coat, just to make sure all the spots are clean. Maybe here, see, like, once it dries we'll see, but I think one more is not gonna hurt. And then we're gonna start putting on the paint. We had the 3 primers on. We had the 3 paint colors on. So now I just put a new first fresh coat of the clear. There's some runny spots if you look closely, but in general it's a nice job. I'll give it like a 7 to 8 out of 10. The paint is matching pretty good. The only problem is, like with the spray can, there may be some problems. Like here, somehow I touched it. Over here, there's an extra bubble. I don't know how that got there, right? But these are the consequences you guys are gonna face when you use a can to spray with. I'm gonna have to find a good company that does glossy black, and we're gonna paint my side skirts. And I also had the front lip already shipped. I think it came today. So all I have to do is just find those nice colors, high-end colors, and then start working on that. Now it's finally time. Alright, so I made a hole through here. Also did one here, and the same thing on this side through both the bumper and then diffuser. That's how the diffuser looks like. Looks pretty good, pretty good. The only problems are these sides. They haven't fully, or it's maybe the plastic that's hard. I should have left it in the sun or something for a bit, but they're not sticking. The tape they gave me, it's okay. Like in the middle it's fine, but on the sides it's just not strong enough. So what I'm gonna do is take this whole thing off. I have like 4 screws, 1 screw, 2 screw, 3, 4, and then on the sides I have additional zip ties. I made holes in there, so I just gotta take this off, heat gun it, put it into shape, and that's it. Get a better 3M tape and it should look pretty good. Paint match is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Like, everything fits. I'm gonna tint this later on when I'm not lazy. But yeah, job well done, I think. If you guys enjoyed, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, let me know how you think.